Imagine driving your brand new Lexus TX, sleek and powerful, only to realize, when something unexpected happens, you have no reliable proof of what really went down on the road. That's when a dashcam becomes more than just a gadget. It becomes your personal eyewitness. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most impressive OEM-style dashcams designed specifically for the 2024 to 2025 Lexus TX. The FitCamX front 4K plus rear 1080p dashcam. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this might be the smartest upgrade for your Lexus. Now let's be honest, dashcams aren't new. But if you've ever tried installing one, you already know the headaches. Wires dangling down the windshield, adapters sticking out of the cigarette lighter, or even worse, trying to figure out which cable plugs where. And let's not forget how most aftermarket dashcams completely ruin the clean factory look of your luxury vehicle. And when it comes to performance, many budget dashcams just don't cut it. Grainy night footage, blind spots, unreliable memory cards, or the camera overheating in extreme weather. These are real issues that leave drivers frustrated. Imagine investing in a premium SUV like the Lexus TX, only to settle for a cheap-looking dashcam that doesn't match your car's luxury style or reliability. The FitCamX front 4K plus rear 1080p dashcam is built exclusively for the 2024 and 2025 Lexus TX models, including the TX 350, TX 350 Luxury, and TX 500HF Sport Premium. What makes it special? Unlike those bulky aftermarket cameras, the FitCamX integrates seamlessly into your vehicle. No wires dangling. No drilling. No trimming. When it's installed, it looks like it rolled straight out of the factory with your Lexus. Clean. Elegant. Invisible. And let's talk about the recording power. With a powerful Novatech chip and a CMOS sensor, this dashcam captures stunning front-facing video at 2160p, true 4K clarity, paired with a rear camera recording in crisp 1080p. That means every drive, every detail, every plate number is recorded clearly. Add the wide 170 degrees front lens and 140 degrees rear coverage, and you've got nearly all blind spots eliminated. Even at night, the quality holds strong, thanks to its dynamic range and enhanced low-light performance. Here's where it gets even better. This isn't just a camera, it's an intelligent driving companion. Ease of use. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can connect straight to the FitCamX app. Want to check out your drive or download an important clip to your phone after an incident? It's just a couple of taps away. No fumbling with memory cards unless you really want to. Peace of mind storage. The dashcam comes with a 128GB microSD card already included, and it supports up to 256GB. Thanks to loop recording, old footage automatically gets overwritten, so you never have to worry about running out of space. And when the unexpected happens, like a sudden collision, the built-in G-sensor instantly locks that footage in a protected folder. No risk of it being lost. Durability you can count on. Made from premium ABS plus PC materials, this dashcam is built tough. It's designed to handle extreme conditions, from freezing Alaska winters at -4 degrees Fahrenheit to scorching Texas summers at 185 degrees Fahrenheit. That means no matter where you take your Lexus, your dashcam is as reliable as the car itself. Lifetime support. And let's not forget the after-sales promise. FitCamX provides lifetime customer support, so you're never left in the dark if you need help down the road. So, let's bring it all together. The FitCamX front 4K plus rear 1080p dashcam is not just another accessory. It's a seamless, factory-style upgrade that protects your investment, gives you undeniable proof in case of accidents, and keeps your Lexus looking as sleek as it did the day you drove it off the lot. If you own a 2024 or 2025 Lexus TX, whether it's the 350, the Luxury, or the 500HF Sport Premium, this dashcam was built specifically for you. No messy wires, no cheap look, just premium protection that matches your premium vehicle. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out directly on Amazon. Don't wait until it's too late. Equip your Lexus with the protection it deserves today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car accessory reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you go for an OEM-style dashcam, or stick with a traditional universal model? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, drive safely and take care.